Now that we have all of our content, we can create our calendar view. So let's go to Structure, Views, Add New View. Let's call this view Tours. And let's plan on grouping our different views that are centered around the tour content type into this view as different displays. So we'll show content of tour types. We'll create a page. And according to the wireframe, this should say Tour Calendar for the title. So let's set that here. For path, we'll set it to Calendar. This time we're going to use a table. So we'll set the display format to table. We want to show everything, so I'm going to put 100 here, and we'll uncheck Use a Pager, and we'll click Save and Edit. If we scroll down, you can see our table, and it has the ID with a link back to that page. So we want to remove that link. Let's go to the title under Fields, and uncheck Link to the Content. Click Apply. Okay. We'll pull up the wireframe. So we're going to want the fields date, tour type, days, and guide. Now a quick way to do this is to go to the fields and click add, and then do a search for the name of the content type. So this shows all of the fields that appear in tour. So we want date, days, guide, and tour type. Let's click add and configure fields.